Hey everyone, before we get into today's Bitcoin news, let's ground ourselves for a moment. If you're feeling a mix of uncertainties and concern right now, that's completely normal. Nothing you're feeling means you're doing anything wrong. Bitcoin has always moved forward through periods of discomfort, not certainty. Now, let's talk about what's happening. Over the past day, there's been a strong reaction across the Bitcoin community following news that U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis will not seek re-elections in 2026. And this matters not because of politics, because of her role shaping Bitcoin's regulatory path in the United States. Senator Lummis has been one of the most consistent and vocal advocates for Bitcoins in Congress over the past several years, long before it was popular and long before institutions were comfortable even mentioning Bitcoin. She pushed for clear rule, fair treatments, and long-term thinkings around Bitcoins as a monetary asset. Following her announcement, voices across the industry acknowledged just how influential she's been, and several policy leaders and investors said openly that Bitcoin's policies in the United States would not be where it is today without her works behind the scenes. Now, here's the important context. Lummis stepping away does not mean Bitcoin loses momentum in Washington. It does not mean regulatory progress stops. And it does not mean the directions of travel suddenly reverses. What it does mean is that we're entering a transition phase. In her own words, Lummis explained that she simply doesn't have 6 more years in her, describing herself as a sprinter in a marathon. That's not retreat from Bitcoin. That's a personal decision after years of pushing difficult policies through slow, exhausting system. What's noticeable is that even after her announcement, multiple lawmakers and policy leaders emphasized that the work she helped start is far from finished. In fact, several people close to the process made it clear that major Bitcoin-related legislation is still very much alive, with potential movements as early as next year. And that's the key point here. Bitcoin policy in the United States is no longer depends on one person. That's actually a sign of maturity. When Bitcoin advocacy was fragile, it needed individual champions to survive. Today, it has broader institutional awareness, growing political alignments, and increasing public pressure for clarity rather than enforcement by surprise. From a Bitcoin perspective, this is what progress looks like. Not smooth headlines every day, but gradual normalization. Now, let's be very clear about what this does not mean. This does not mean Bitcoin has lost political support. This does not mean regulatory clarity is off the table. And this does not mean Bitcoin long-term trajectories has changed it. What we're seeing is the natural handoff from early advocates to a wider groups of policymakers who now understand that Bitcoin isn't going away and that ignorance it is no longer an option. If anything, the reactions to Lummis' announcement show how far Bitcoin has come. The fact that so many people openly acknowledge her impact tell you that Bitcoin's policy is now part of the serious conversation, not a fringe issues. So what's the takeaways for you as a Bitcoin holder? It's simple. Bitcoin doesn't rely on individuals. It relies on incentive, math, and time. People help move it forward, but the network keeps going regardless. Moments like this can feel unsettling if you're watching headline closely. But zoom out. This is part of Bitcoin transitioning from early advocacy into long-term integration. You don't need to react to this. You don't need to predict what happens next. And you don't need to change your plan because of one's announcement. The role of a calm Bitcoin holder isn't to chase every headlines. It's to understand direction, context, and durability. And Bitcoin continues to show all three. I'll keep walking you through what's matter, what doesn't, and how to stay clear-headed while the noise comes and goes. Now stack with purpose and stay grounded. And I'll see you in the next update. Take care.